Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to take you through how to make a device available within the Uboss portal. Uboss has its own inbuilt device ordering service, allowing our resellers and customers to order hardware directly from our vendors direct to your site. In order for a device to be made available to be ordered, it must first be tariffed and made available for assignment. So let's get started. From the dashboard, select Settings from the left-hand menu and search for and select Devices. This will display all of your previously available devices. To add a new device, click Add on the right-hand side. Using the Parent Device drop-down box, find and select the phone model you wish to add. Next, select Yes for rebate fund applicable, and then click Next. Here we will enter our tariff. Firstly, enter your sell rate in the Setup Charge field. Then, select the Setup Charge nominal code. And next, if you know your buy rate, enter this into the Setup Cost Buy Rate field. Once those have been entered, check Apply to all SDR tariffs and then click Next. You can now click Finish, and you can now go to your customer's business site and order the device required. For more information about ordering hardware, please see our video on how to order and provision hardware through Uboss. We hope you found this useful, and thank you for watching.